Hello watcher and subscriber. This tutorial is particularly for the beginner, those who don't know how to create a table. Okay, and I tell you, for creating table, in place of using MS Word, you go for the Excel. It will save your time. Okay. And this tutorial again, it is useful for the teacher also, because nowadays as a teacher many times you have to submit the detail in the form of table. So you must be having basic knowledge about the Excel, and you must know how to create a simple table. And you observe here, I am going to create such kind of table. And because here in this table everything is there, this is what the heading of the table, and these are the column name, and some basic information is there, some basic formatting also there, color also I have added. So that is what the simple table. Now without wasting time, we start creating table. So I am going into the new sheet, and here you have to give the heading. So you see my heading is student information. Got it? So that is the heading, but I want to increase its font size. So from upside you just select it, and you just do that a this capital A is there, so its font size will increase. Okay, so this is the simple option, this A. You have to click on this A, and if you want to reduce this, you click on this small a, or from here also you can select the font size. So next step is, here we have to give the column name. So first I would like to write name. Okay, as this is a simple table, I would like to add just 3 name. First one is my name, then second one is, then I would like to add the third one. So as this is a basic table, so I'm adding just 3 records. So that rows is also known as a record. So I just increase that column so that all the information will fit properly. Okay, so our first column is ready. Then next, so here in the next one, I will add the numerical value. So for that, I will take a roll number. Okay, and roll number I would like to add like 101, 102, like that. Okay, suppose you have the more record, what you see, you just select this, and here the plus sign is getting, then by mouse you have to just drag it down, so you see next entry will come automatically. This option is very useful if you have more number of record. What you do, you have to just select this and move your mouse here downside and drag it. Okay, so automatically the number will be added in increasing order. So that is for roll number. And next information, address, means whatever the column is there, column name, you have to do it, it's depend on you. So address, I just write here Ramtek, and next one is Nagpur, and next one. Okay, so like that you can add. So last one is contact number. Okay, so again I will increase its size, and here you have to add contact number. So it is just sample information, so I just repeat it. Whenever you want to copy the same value, you do like that. So here I do little bit changes, so every entry will be unique. Okay, so in this way I have added the contact number, and then I will select this all the table for providing common formatting. So you select this middle option, so all the entry will come in middle, so your table will look proper, or you can select the first one, whichever you feel better. I will select first one, because first one I'm thinking it is looking more professional. And then for seeing all the border, you select here all borders. So here you see line numbers is coming, because if you, without this, if you take print out, this row and column will not be highlighted, these borders will not come, means it with your information will not be appear in table, in the form of table. So it is essential to give this border, so this option is very important for that. Now I am providing formatting for the column. So first I would like to change its color, so this color I would like to give, and for the text I want the red color. Okay, means whichever color that you want you can give, you can change it also. So this one I look, this one is more proper. Then I am selecting downside entries, and here also I want to give somewhat other color. Whichever you want, you can give. This color is okay. Okay, so in this way you can provide the formatting. Now you see almost everything is included here. I have added all numerical value, everything. So this is what the basic information for the beginner. And in this way you can give the heading. Okay, and suppose you want to make it italic, you can do like that, or underline, you select the third option. So this is what you can create the table in a simple step. So I hope, dear student, you understood in Excel how you can create a simple table with a simple formatting. So thanks for watching this tutorial, and if you want to join Excel tutorial series, just subscribe my channel and go for that playlist. Okay, so thank you.